When you lose any significant amount of weight, there's two things that happen, right? One is your metabolic rate is suppressed, and what I mean by metabolic rate is your maintenance calories are
Mhm.
gonna be quite a bit lower. So first of all, when you are a lighter person, you're gonna need fewer calories anyway than a heavier person, right? But even if two people weigh the same amount, but one person has dieted down to that weight, whereas the other person is naturally that weight, the dieted down person is gonna have a slower metabolic rate
Mhm.
simply because of those metabolic adaptations that take place, right?
Right.
And then your hunger levels are going to be super high at the end of your diet
Yeah.
because you've been depriving yourself, and you just can't wait to eat everything, right? So that combination of having a lower or suppressed metabolic rate and also having super high hunger levels, it's just a recipe for massive weight regain.
Hey there! If you want to catch the rest of the interview, go to the link in the description. See ya there!